Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. It is 3:10:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, light irradiation. So let's hop to it. Drug delivery system. Injections or light irradiation. Date March 15th, 2021. Source, Pohang University of Science and Technology. Summary. A research team has developed near-infrared NIR light-triggered drug delivery system. A new concept of on-demand delivery system has emerged in which the drugs are automatically released from in vivo medical devices simply by shining light on the skin. Researchers have together developed an on-demand drug delivery system, DDS, using an organic photovoltaic cell coated with upconversion nanoparticles. This newly developed DDS allows nanoparticles to convert skin-penetrating near-infrared NIR light into visible light, so that drug release can be controlled in medical devices installed in the body. For patients who need periodic drug injections, as in the case of diabetes, DDS that automatically administer drugs in lieu of repetitive shots are being researched and developed. However, its size and shape have been restricted due to limitations in power supply for operating such a device. The researchers found the answer in solar power. Upconversion nanoparticles were used for the photovoltaic device to induce photovoltaic power generation with NIR light that can penetrate the skin. An organic photovoltaic cell coated with a core shell, structured upconversion nanoparticles, was designed to operate a drug delivery system made of a mechanical and electronic system by generating an electrical current upon irradiation of NIR light. When electricity is applied in this manner, the thin gold film sealing the drug reservoir melts and the drug is released. The combination of a flexible photovoltaic cell and a drug delivery system enables on-demand drug release using light. The drug delivery system is activated using near-infrared light that is harmless to the human body and is highly skin-penetrating. Since this enables nimble control of drug release of medical devices inserted into the body by using near-infrared light, it is highly anticipated to contribute to the development of phototherapy technology using implantable medical devices. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.